All right, today we got a nice, beautiful design bowl. This could be for cats or dogs. It's black. They have multiple colors. It's porcelain too. And here's a star. She's ready for her meal. But this is accommodate any large breeds or small breeds. And also, I would recommend maybe put it on top of a mat so any kind of spillage could get gathered by the mat. So very beautiful design. You can see dog paws. Like I said, it could be for larger breeds, like this one here, or smaller dogs. So very simple, easy to use. Hope you guys enjoy the video. No.
What is that? A leaf?